Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how to easily delete all saved videos on TikTok. Please friends, don't forget to put likes under this video, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. Let us get down to the topic with you. First of all, open the TikTok app. After that, on the right side, you will need to click on your profile. Next, at the top, click on the three bars. After that, select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down a little bit to the bottom of this menu and select the option to report a problem. Next is Accounts Profile Pause. Now select Profile Page Pause. And at the bottom select Other. Then scroll down a little bit and click Need More Help. As you can see, this will take you to a page like this, where you can describe your problem. And now you can write any text you want here. For example, please help me delete all my saved videos on my TikTok page. I will be grateful for your help or reply. After that, you can send this message. Within 24 hours, your situation should be fixed and TikTok support will delete all your saved videos. If it hasn't happened, then try just sending them a request again asking them to delete all your saved videos in TikTok. This is the way you can try to delete all your saved videos in the TikTok app. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video and write your comments. Bye-bye.